What's up guys, Tech Mystics back with another video for y'all. I finally got my hands on the ROG Ally, but before I unbox this bad boy right here, I want to give a shout out to the sponsor of this channel. Alright, so let me just go ahead first and admire the box. Right here, beautiful design of the system right here in the box. You got the letters right here, the buttons A, B, X, Y, all colorful right here. And on the box right here on the side, you got ROG Ally, Republic of Gamers, and the same thing for the sides. On the bottom right here, it's got the specifications of the device. So you can see all the specifications right here. But let's just open up this and see what it looks like. This is my first time. Alright, this is the device right here. On the plastic, you got the demonstration how to power it up and all that stuff. Alright, let's see what comes underneath here. I would strongly believe this is the stand for the device. Yes, ROG stand. Feels like some kind of cardboard. I thought it was like some hard plastic, but it feels like a kind of cardboard. Inside here you have the power brick. You can plug this bad boy up right here. It's not retractable, so that's what it looks like right here. Alright, so let's see what else is inside this thing. Alright, inside this box we got a what? We got some paperwork for this bad boy. You got the warranty paperwork, some other paperwork right here, blah blah blah, yada yada yada. Anyway, all from Asus. Put it to the side. See if there's any other surprise. No, that's pretty much it. So let us put these to the side real quick. I admire this device. Very good looking. It feels like a Nintendo Switch in my hands, but I like the colorfulness of the buttons, the A, B, X, Y. The buttons, they feel alright. They feel alright to me. The joysticks on the other hand feels a little bit on the loose side. It's clickable, but it feels a little bit loose. The D-pad is, in my opinion, is very small. I don't like that. I wish it was bigger like on the Xbox. But anyhow, let us take this plastic off. Beautiful design with the LED screen. Oh, I like this very much. I like all this color right here, the Republic of Gamers. It's pretty light. Got the back triggers right here. You got the triggers on top, like this. Got the top triggers right here. Got a headphone jack, SD slots where you could expand the memory, and whatever this thing right here, blah blah blah, yada yada. Got the power buttons, got the volume buttons right here, and you got the vents right here on top to get rid of the heat. And boom, that's pretty much it. I like this how it looks so far. And you can screw this bad boy out and put the SD card inside. But anyhow, let's see if this bad boy got any juice right off the jump. Let us power this on, see what we got. So right off the jump, there's no juice, so more than likely you're gonna have to plug this up and power it up. So let me go ahead and do that real quick. First, let's plug it in right here. USB Type-C port. On the top like this. Let's power it up and see what we got. So the light's on, that means it's plugged in. Let's see if it's going to turn on right away. Boom. So once you plug it in, it fires up right away. You can see the RGB lights around the joystick is illuminating. Looks pretty good so far. I like the way it looks. It feels very light. So that takes like around 2 minutes to do all that booting up. So 2 minutes. So if you get this device and plug it up for the first time, as you see, it takes like 2 minutes to get to the screen. So let me put in my information and see what it looks like. And there it is, the Asus ROG Ally. Like I said, it's just gonna be a quick unboxing. It didn't take long to set up. I don't know, I'm not too excited about it. It feels too cheap. The side, the materials on the side feels so cheap. I don't like the way it feels. It looks good though, nice presentation. It got some nice designs, colors, features, but it feels too cheap. The Steam Deck feels more premium than this. and for the price, it does not. It's, to me, it does not. To me, it does not worth the price the way it feels. But I'm gonna tinker with it for a couple days and do another video. So anyhow, this is Take the Mystics. I'm out. Peace out.